another vlog, and welcome if you're new. As per usual, I'm trying to be quiet because everybody else is in bed, but this is my time to get stuff done. If you can't tell by my voice, I'm getting over being sick. I'm on like the downhill side. I think this is day 6 or 7, but I think it was the second to last vlog. I was doing my kitchen cleaning, and literally like during that vlog I was getting sick, so got over it. We're good now, but I still have like leftover congestion and stuff, so I sound a little croaky. But I wanted to start the vlog out because Willow, my daughter, is turning 3 September 7th, so at the point y'all see this vlog it'll be gone. But we got her a cute little thing I'll show y'all in a little bit. So I'm summarizing for this vlog, but I'm gonna put this together. Depending on how hard it is, I might vlog the whole thing or just do some of it and speed it up. But it's gonna go in our living room, and I'll show y'all. I have a bookshelf in there on the wall where I think it's gonna go, and I think it's gonna fit. I haven't measured it, but I'm going to put together this gift that we got her, show y'all the little bit. We didn't go crazy. We got her the big gift and a few little things. And then today's Tuesday, so tomorrow, Wednesday night, when she goes to bed, I'm going to decorate the wall over here on our dining area where she sits and put her birthday decorations up. And then I have a grocery order coming in the morning, and that'll be a separate vlog. It'll either be the vlog before this or after this. I have things coming on the grocery order, like little decoration things for her. And I'm going to do her a cookie cake for her birthday. So I'm kind of waiting last minute here, I guess, because I'm not cooking it until tomorrow. And I have to do all this while she is asleep. She got a kitchen last year. We got her something else this year. I'm going to get it put together, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. And then I'm going to cover it with a blanket and sit it in the corner in our bedroom. And then I think what I'll do is Michael has to work on her birthday, so I will leave it in our bedroom till he gets home from work. And we might give it to her tomorrow. I don't know how we'll do it, but we'll either give it to her tomorrow night or her birthday night. But what we were planning to do is Thursday he has to work, so he's going to get off work, and then we're going to go into town. We were going to let her pick out a Build-A-Bear for her birthday, because you can pay your child's age if you don't know that. But I think you have to wait for an email to come, and I haven't gotten it yet, so I'm going to call them tomorrow and see how that works. We might do that on this vlog as well. I don't share her, I keep her private, but I'm going to share a little bit of this. And then we're going to let her pick somewhere to eat. So I don't know where she's going to plan or pick to eat. We can't stay out too late because she'll be tired and need to go to bed, and Michael has to work. So just going to cram a lot of that in on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, I think I said that. Probably won't be talking as much because it's just going to be decorating. But I also have a few things in the living room. I need to water my plants, and I have some curtains that when I took them out of Willow's room, like when I changed her room from like nursery looking to little girly pink and girly colors, whatever. But I took those out, and I'm going to incorporate them in my living room because I just keep adding to the rod. It's got like a fuller look to it that way, and I've got those to hang up. And I made like a little to-do list that's hiding behind this box somewhere. Also need to wrap her gifts or put them in a bag. I ordered a bag, and I think the bag's what I'm going to do. Obviously this we won't have to wrap because I'm going to put it together. Y'all, I've had a week being sick. But yeah, that's what we're going to do on this vlog. Stay tuned, because I'm thinking like two-ish, maybe 2 vlogs after this one is going to be coffee bar decorating, and I got something fun to share in that one, and then it'll be living room decorating. So yeah, this is probably the last you'll hear me talking. I've talked long enough. Let's get going on this stuff. Well, I said I was done talking, and then I remembered I had to show this. We got Willow this right here to go with her little toy that I'm about to set up. I got this on Amazon Prime Day, and I think I also got these on Prime Day. They're little socks with Fancy Nancy on them. That's a cartoon that she likes. It's like a little girly little, I guess like princess little girl. But these were like $5 I think on Amazon. It was a good deal. And on Amazon Prime Day they had these balloons that are butterflies, and she loves butterflies. So I'm going to inflate them, and y'all excuse the mess over here, but I haven't got over there yet. Actually, I didn't vacuum the floor yet. I mean, today I just didn't get under there since she's eaten. But normally I decorate over here and put like a little banner and I'll put like her butterfly things. The only thing is I just realized I do not think I got a banner this year for her. So shoot, I guess I probably have last year's. I'll hang up or just decorate around this. Anyways, but I think this got 5 in it that I'll stick on the wall. We got her one of these at Christmas time. I shared that when I was doing Vlogmas, and honestly, Michael and I thought it was super fun too, but she loves this thing, and I don't know what happened to the one that she has, but we lost it, so I got a 2-pack of these. I'll probably put one up just to keep, or either I'll keep one in the car and one in the house. I got a little pack of these spirals. I'll probably hang over the island area in the kitchen, and then I have some other decorations I'll have to get out tomorrow. Then I shared this. I got this at Sam's Club about a month ago for I saved it for her birthday, but it's for upcoming fall months. Of course, I've got a size 6. It'll fit a little big, but we'll roll it up and it'll last a little bit longer. So nothing crazy. This was all, other than a few things I'll share in a separate vlog on a grocery order that I get tomorrow. But now I need to come in here, got my tripod out and ready, and I've got to get all of this cleaned up, fold that. There's the curtains I gotta put up there and just make it look nice in here. My show of choice at night is called The Midwife. I'm excited they have another season out, so that's what I'm going to be watching while I do this. And I can't believe I told y'all I was done talking. I should have known better. This is the bookshelf that I am going to put like in the hallway near her bedroom, and this is what she got last year, was this little toy kitchen. So I think this thing is going to fit perfectly right there, and that'll be the only thing I have to move. Hopefully, or I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just going to get all of this tackled. Might as well throw a plant update since I'm about to water them. My spider plant has taken off so much so that it is now too tall to fit right there on the ceiling. It's all crumpled up, and I have a ton of these little babies I've got to cut off and get rooted, and then I'll give them away. And then my ivy has also taken off as well. I need to pull some of the dead leaves off. That one needs a little bit of care, and those 3 over there also need some care. So we're gonna get on all this and quit talking now. everything that I buy, I have missing parts, something's broken. I have had Amazon, this come from Amazon, but this isn't just exclusively an Amazon problem. I've had Amazon and Walmart and other people send me products that were not even close to what I had purchased. So we purchased this little doctor's setup thingy for Willow. It's like an $80 or $90 toy, and I got it for like 30 bucks. So first thing, this is supposed to have 2 doors on it. This is supposed to be on the right, and they sent me 2 left doors. So not only can I not even use this door over here, but the right door is supposed to have a cutout for this little like Band-Aid dispenser thing to come out. Obviously there's no cutout on here. You can clearly see that they sent me 2 left doors, because in order for this to go on, the hearts would be upside down. And this door doesn't even look like how the right door is supposed to look. So I'm really mad about that, because I'm probably going to have a hard time even reaching out on it. And I got this over a month ago. Obviously, I couldn't put it together and have it sitting for a month. So I'm probably about to have issues with doing that. And then this one right here, like, I'm not just making this up. This is supposed to click on, you can see the little slots right here. That is supposed to just slide right into there, and the lines literally do not even like match up. There's no way I can even, I think I'm fixing to try to force it on and probably break it, but I also hate instructions like this where it's just like you have to go all the way over here and find this part and then try to figure out how to position it the way they've got it. Just, I don't know, it's really kind of dumb. I'm really mad about this door though, because I can't even, like, I wouldn't even worry about it if it was just that the hearts were upside down, because I could just, you know, pop the top and the bottom in there and put the little knob on it. But there's supposed to be a slot here so that this can come out, and this isn't even the right door. So I'm really mad about that part. Hopefully this is the last issue. But I feel like every single thing that I go to do, there's something ridiculous that happens. Obviously it's nighttime and I'm still like recuperating, getting better, so I'm not really feeling like dealing with the issue. But I'm doing my best to get this thing put together. I'm trying to get it done. It's like 9:30. I still have to clean the kitchen. And I don't know. Like, I'm just, I hate this.
Spoke on the telephone before she left the mother house at the end of her retreat. She's also agreed that we should find a... I beg you, wait just a little until she's more settled. So will you forgive me?
not the finished product, but my finished product, because of the stupid door issue. I'm literally so aggravated about it, y'all, because like, it's supposed to have a door slot, I believe, with this is what I was reading, and then have like this coming out the top over it for a band-aid, and then the little knob that goes through it. I literally can't even put the door on there because of that. Like, all in all, it was worth what I got it for on sale, which was like $30, but I would not have paid the original, I think it was $80. And then another thing that kind of irritated me, so y'all probably don't care about this, but some of you might buy this for your kids and make the same mistake, but it shows the sheets of the decals, and this one says the left side of the base has this one, and then the right side of the base has this one, which is this and this. So obviously looking at this would be left side of base, right side of base. So I started off, I put the one that goes on the right side of the base over here. And yes, I did the right side before the left, but there was no specific way to do it. Then when I put the left one over here, I realized that what it should have said was left side, top, and bottom. But it didn't. So luckily I got that one pulled off, and it only left a little bit of a wrinkle there. So the only other thing I gotta do is put batteries in it, which is on the back. But I am going to stop for the night. I'm still not 100% well. I'm just right, like, the tail end of being sick. But it's 10:45. I still have to load the dishwasher and feed my sourdough starter. I've got a vlog on that eventually coming, and then I have to get ready for bed. But I did not expect it to take this long, but the only reason it did was because that one part that I got stumped on, I really had to like force together. I think it honestly was measured a little wrong, and considering that the whole thing is plastic, it wouldn't surprise me. But it's ready to go. So all I have to do is, well, I mean, I've got to contact Amazon and see about getting the right door for it. But this is not even, like, the picture on the paper is not even reflecting, like, it reflects that I don't have the right door, but it's not even reflecting just like the little cardboard cutout piece, which is telling me that it goes there. So I don't know. Vlogging all this, I didn't feel very well. Y'all can probably still hear it in my voice, and I thought I was just like over vlogging, bored, whatever, but I'm okay now. But I ended up putting some decorations up here, little balloons up here, and done a banner over here. I already took it down, but I'll try to throw in a picture. I had a little garland over here. There was a flower balloon there and there. She got her little balloons that we let her pick out, and her little doctor's thing over there. There's another butterfly balloon up there. And that was pretty much it. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this vlog. Sorry that I didn't record all that, but I didn't feel like it. And it doesn't really matter, I guess. I will see you guys in the next vlog. The vlog after this will probably be my fall coffee bar clean and decorate. I'm filming it today. I get to wear a long sleeve shirt because it's only like 89, which is cool for Louisiana right now. So I'm pretending it's fall and I'm going to clean and decorate over there. So y'all come back for that vlog and I'll see you then. Bye.